In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Media to generate a background. To follow along, make sure you're already inside a Canva design with at least one image on your canvas. This could be a photo of a person or product or anything you want to place in front of a new background. Start by clicking directly on the image you want to work with. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around it. This tells Canva that this is the element you're about to edit. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar that appears above or near your image. Click on Edit to open up Canva's editing panel. This panel is where you'll find tools to adjust your image, including the background remover. Inside that editing panel, click on BG Remover, which stands for Background Remover. Canva will process the image for a moment and automatically remove the existing background, isolating your subject. Take a second to check the edges. If anything looks off, you can usually refine it using the available options, but for now, we'll focus on adding a new AI-generated background. Next, you'll want to open Canva's apps. Look for the apps option on the left side of the screen and click on it. This is where Canva keeps extra tools and integrations, including Magic Media. In the app search bar, type Magic Media. When you see Magic Media appear in the results, click on it to open the tool. This feature uses AI to generate images from text prompts, which is exactly what we'll use to create a new background. Now you'll see a place to type in the background you want. Be as descriptive as you can. For example, you might type soft pastel office background with a desk and plants, or dramatic dark studio backdrop with subtle lighting. The clearer your description, the closer the generated image will match your idea. Once you've typed your prompt, generate the image and wait for Canva to show you several options. After the images are generated, choose the one you like and add it to your design. It may appear in front of your subject at first. Click on the new background image, then use the position or layer controls to send it backward behind your main image. You want your subject with the removed background to sit on top of the new AI-generated background. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts Canva gives you. These might include confirming usage, adjusting the size, or trying different variations. Make any small adjustments you need, and you're done. You've just used Canva Magic Media to generate and apply a custom background to your image.